Breaking, Tasha K scores a partial win in court. Now let's get to it. Hey everyone, welcome to the mix. Like, share, subscribe, per usual. For those who are new to my channel, I pre-record most of my videos. Head on over to the live section. I typically go live on the weekend, so head on over to the video section and check out some of my lives. Thank you very much. I need for you all to listen to this video. Yes, listen to it from beginning to end. I won't keep you guys long. Thank you guys for your continued support. If you're interested in donating, go ahead and hit that cash app right here. Further donation information can be found in the description section of this post. All donations go toward content enhancement creation. Let's jump right into the topic. Hey everyone, welcome again. Welcome to the mix. Like this video, share this video, subscribe. It's free to like, it's free to share, it's free to subscribe. Thank you guys for your continued support, those domestically and internationally. Okay, oh my gosh, today is Saturday, you guys. Hope your weekend is going well. Mine has been quite eventful. I'm sipping on some Pinot Grigio right now. You guys know this is one of my faves. How are you guys doing? I would be remiss to not even ask you guys that. How are you all doing? Like, seriously, mentally, physically, emotionally, all of that. And drop some comments in the chat. This is a safe space. It is, you know, sometimes I become a little bit transparent, not oversharing too much, but you know, hey, life be life and for everyone. And it's okay to sometimes have a sounding board or outlet sometimes. And sometimes when you speak out and release it, it helps. It helps with the healing. It helps with the just decompressing sometimes instead of having things so bottled up inside of you, you know? So, but yeah, it's the weekend. It's Saturday evening for me. But as you can see, excuse me, what this video is going to be about. And you guys, I am so surprised so many creators or people are not covering this. Tasha K has a partial win in court. It means something. It definitely means something, especially the win that she succeeded in terms of the extortion part. So that's a huge win. So, but yeah. So let me somewhat recap, you guys, of what is going on with the Kevin Hart and Tasha K situation. Kevin Hart's former assistant did an interview with Tasha K, and to my understanding, it's being alleged that the assistant was not supposed to do that type of interview due to an NDA the assistant supposedly had signed, etc., etc. Well, Kevin Hart did not take too kind of the interview and asked Tasha K to remove it. I'm not 100% sure if it was ever actually removed yet. I did go over to Tasha K's YouTube channel and I saw the clip there. Maybe I need to go further back to see if the full interview is there, but I'm not 100% sure if it was actually removed or what. But nevertheless, I digress. So Kevin Hart citing alleged defamation and some other stuff. I don't think, like I said, that it was actually removed, but if I'm wrong, you guys drop it in the chat. You know, I will stand correct on something, you know. So Kevin Hart was also alleging Tasha K or possibly her team or someone from her team allegedly was trying to extort him, basically saying that, you know, give us this amount or I'm going to drop the full interview and this is going to allegedly damage your reputation, etc., etc. Kevin Hart was, asking not to run an interview, and it's being alleged that they're saying, hey, well, we won't run it if you pay me. Hence, extortion claims that Tasha K vehemently denies. So Kevin Hart ended up filing a couple lawsuits claims in California courts. So let me share some of those excerpts of this article I came across, and then I'll come back. I'll return with one of my commentary, reaction, or opinion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That makes you guys. And thank you all for your continued support. But like I said before, I'm surprised there are not a lot of write-ups on this. I couldn't find a lot of write-ups on this, only one, and that's from cashapp.com. So I'm just like, and they are citing some type of court, I guess, blog or something like that, or court records or whatever. So, but let me go ahead and share this with you guys, and then I'll come back with more. Okay, all of these pop-ups, my apologies. It's cashapp.com. Judge rules Kevin Hart can proceed with defamation lawsuit against Tasha K for extortion, ex-assistant interview. In the article further cites, Kevin Hart has been given the green light to proceed forward with his defamation and invasion of privacy lawsuit against Tasha K for her salacious 2023 tell-all interview with his former assistant. However, his claims that he was at the center of an extortion plot were thrown out. So the judge was like, toss that part out, Tasha K. I'm gonna toss that out, but the other stuff I think could move forward. Okay. So the article further cites, according to a motion obtained by Courthouse News Service during a hearing in Los Angeles on April 25th, California Superior Judge Holly Fuji, and my apologies if I'm mispronouncing the judge's last name, but this particular judge denied a portion of the anti-slap motion filed by Tasha K. LaTasha Shrina Kibi and her production company. That's Tasha K. So Tasha K filed a motion to have all of it just tossed out, dismissed. And the judge like, no, I'll toss this out, but other stuff will remain. The article further cites the anti-SLAPP laws offer defendants a means to promptly dismiss frivolous lawsuits, commonly referred to as SLAPPs, and that's the acronym, but it means strategic lawsuits against public participation that are filed against them for exercising their rights to free speech. I'm going to dig more into this law. I like diving into stuff like this, so I'm going to dig more into it to gain a better understanding. Okay, the article further cites inside his lawsuit filed, meaning Kevin Hart's lawsuit filed in December, Hart 44 claimed Tasha K and his former assistant Misha Shakes made false and defamatory statements about legal disputes in which he had been involved. One of the claims brought up during the discussion was charges related to an S-tape the comedian allegedly recorded in Las Vegas in 2017. Such statements were published despite the fact that the prospect of there being criminal charges against Hart was probably false, which could have been confirmed with a basic public search. And the fact that no evidence existed to corroborate such claim, Hart penned in his lawsuit against Shakes and the Unwind with Tasha K host. Courthouse News reports that the judge ruled that Kevin Hart's defamation claim had enough merit to proceed. Let me pause right there. This opens a floodgate for, and I said this before, when Cardi B won her case against Tasha K, I think that was defamation. Quote me if I'm don't quote me on that, and if I'm wrong, drop it in the chat. It opened the floodgates, and I said then before I was even creating content, like Tasha K should just remove that. Like, do it for the greater of journalists, degree journalists, non-degree journalists, content creators. We don't want this to set a precedence, possibly, and it actually did. So boom, voila, we're here. Okay, so article further cites rejecting Tasha K's motion to dismiss the claim under anti-SLAPP laws designed to protect free speech. The judge affirmed that the use of the words charges by Shakes and Tasha K during their YouTube sit-down could lead people to believe Hart faced criminal prosecution, which he did not. Ooh, sheesh. Yeah, you gotta be careful when you're going over legal type of content, you guys. Certain things, even I get a little irritated when certain people be like, when they refer to civil claims as charges. I'm like, that's not a charge. That's not charges. It's civil. It's not like what? It's like they get the language, legal language confused, and that could lead to a different thought process with someone else. So that kind of annoys me because all it takes is. And I don't know, maybe because I have a legal background, I know how to go to certain legal websites or Black Law Dictionary online, or my own Black Law Dictionary. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. Do I have it with me? Yep, have it here. Okay, you guys, yes. I have my Pocket Guide to Legal Writing in my Black Law Dictionary. I have it here. I have my legal stuff here. So yeah, and I refer to these. I do, from a professional perspective and a content creator perspective. So I do refer to the stuff that I have a lot of legal books from class that I did purchase. I'm thinking about selling some of them on probably Amazon or whatever because they're in great condition, but some of them I will keep, especially real estate wise. So, but nevertheless, I digress. Let me go ahead and continue. The article further cites, even if charges refer to civil action, it would still be false since a civil lawsuit against Hart had been dismissed in June of 2023. Which is, oh gosh, y'all gotta be careful, or get somebody on who, hey, you can get me on. I don't mind. Get me on your channel. I do have some experience, Okay, the article further cites the motion also noted that Judge Fuji struck down Hart's extortion claim against the vlogger. In the suit, he alleged a member from Tasha K's team threatened to drop her interview with Shakes for a ransom of $250K. The individual also allegedly warned Hart that the interview would be damaging to his reputation. Judge Fuji tossed out the claim against the infamous YouTube star, stating it should be dismissed because California law does not support such a cause of action. And let me just pause right there. What that means is that, and this is just based off of my interpretation, to conduct your own research, it is being alleged that what the judge is saying is that in the state of California, that claim that Kevin Hart brought against Tasha K, it can't be used. Not in the state of California. And that's if the judge is correct, because everyone's interpretation sometimes is different, you guys. And that's even in the legal community and the legal field. It is. One interpretation may be different from another, from a civil perspective and criminal perspective. I've seen that across the board. So yeah, Tasha K won in that instance. The judge was like, toss that out. No. So, okay. Okay, everyone. So what are your thoughts on this matter? Do you believe the judge was fair in her ruling? I do, based on what the judge is citing about the law, if that is totally correct. Like I said, because sometimes everyone's interpretation of the law is a little bit different, and sometimes the law could be a bit vague, and so your interpretation could differ from person to person. It really can. Trust me, it can. Should it? No, but it could possibly, differ from person to person. So, but at any rate, Tasha K won that. That was a win. That was a win. That extortion claim went out. However, defamation claim can proceed. And based on the article, wow, sheesh, like I said, that Cardi B case really set the precedence for that. It really did. It really did. So what are your thoughts, you guys? Drop some comments in the chat. I just really wish, as a rewind, and I'm pretty sure Tasha K probably has learned and grown from all of this. I mean, why set that precedent? Last thing someone wants to do is set a legal precedence. I can't stand that, because it can be used in future cases similar to, say, a case or whatever it is, or whatever situation it is being brought forth before the court. So that can be some sketchy waters that one is embarking on, if that makes sense. So, but what are your thoughts? Drop some comments in the chat. Thank you guys for your continued support. Yes, thank you guys for supporting my channel, The Mix. Wow, it's Saturday, and I hope y'all Saturday is going good. This past, I'm gonna say 7-8 months for me has been really weird. Really interesting, challenging in so many ways, but hey, I'm here. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in the chat. I will run some polls in the community section. So stay tuned, stay connected. I'm still trying to get together my members only perks. Like I said, I want to have some good perks. They told me I can't run. YouTube said I cannot run giveaways. Just weird, but sheesh, through my members only, because I was going to up the ante. But I can't do that. So it's back to the drawing board, and I'm a one-stop shop. So bear with me, and I appreciate your patience. I thank you guys for your continued support. But like I said, drop some comments in the chat. Like this video, share this video. It's free to share. It's free to like. It's free to subscribe. It is. It's free, you guys. It's free to do all of that. I really enjoy creating content, and it gets greater later as I continue to grow my channel and continue to evolve in so many different ways, and hopefully bring to you guys just more perks for my channel. It's really the timing, you guys. Sometimes the timing can be a bit off for the mix, so it's just kind of challenging, especially when you have other obligations, and again, when you're a one-stop shop. So, but yeah, anyway, so what do you think about the Tasha K case? Her win. Do you think that was fair? Do you think Kevin Hart will be successful if he does move forward with the defamation case? Maybe not, but like I said, Cardi B's win set the precedence. I really wish Tasha K would have removed it. It's like, think about everyone on a macro level, not just yourself. Like, put your egos to the side. And this is just me, my opinion speaking. Just kind of put your ego to the side, girl. Put your ego to the side and be like, you know what? Because the last thing you want to do, anyone wants to do, is set a case precedence. Don't do that. You don't want to do that. So that can be some muddy waters. And then again, it could be used against so many different creators, so many different journalists, degree journalists, non-degree journalists, and it sucks. It sucks big time. So but if you guys are interested in collaborating, hit your girl, hit the mix. I'm definitely open to collaborating. I just need a certain time and all of that, and then go from there. So I do have a legal background, but I do not practice law. I do not have a law degree, none of that, but I do have a formal legal educational background, and I've worked with many different legal professionals, and I've been in different spaces, classroom settings, accredited colleges, all of that, with judges, attorneys, and all of that, facilitating the courses, stuff like that. So, and I enjoy it. So, but let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in the chats. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.